Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a video on a Gree air conditioned remote control. I was just looking for some quick explanation for all these buttons, but I couldn't find it, especially in English language. It was in other languages, so I just saw that and I think it's a good time to make a video. So let's begin. This is a remote control for my Gree split inverter, and so we can begin from the top. We can see that there are different modes in this split air condition. So if we press this button, it goes to the dry option. It was on the cool option before. This one is the turbo, so it performs like on its maximum power. This is for the heating, and this is the auto function. So I'm back again on my cool mode right now. This button gives you the option to adjust the fan speed. Right now I have adjusted it on the maximum, but if I press it further, it will go on the auto mode like this. But if I continue to press it, it will again give me like the minimum speed for the fan. This is how it does, and back to auto. So I'm just going back to the maximum. Okay, this is the power button, and for these two keys, these are the swings. This one is the swing from left to right. I would say like in a horizontal manner. Right now, all it is enabled for all directions from left to right and back again from right to left. And so but we can adjust it. Like we can obviously shut it down, and also we can enable to have the blow only on the right side, and we can adjust its direction and right in the middle and also on the left side, both directions. Yeah, like this. Now this is, it will keep on swinging from left to right. This option gives you to swing in the vertical manner. Right now it is set on the lower in the down direction, but if I press it, it shows option like this. It will only swing in up and down direction, but it will just stop right in the middle and go back. This is how I can stop this. And now I have set it on auto mode, and it will swing from top to bottom. Okay, this is the turbo button. If I press this, it goes on the turbo mode, and the air condition tries to cool your room in a very fast manner, but it uses some extra energy. So I have turned it off. This is the temperature adjustment up and down. If I click both of them simultaneously, if I click both up and down keys simultaneously, it locks the remote control, which is very useful. Let me show you. I have to hold back my camera. Yeah, now you see this button, you see this lock. If you press any key, it won't work because it is locked right now. So if you press these two buttons at once, it will unlock and lock the remote control. So yeah, now coming back to the keys, this is the sleep option, and there are like I think there are 3 sleep options. This is the number 1. If you see here, it shows you the number: sleep 1, sleep 2, sleep 3. Yeah, so what it does is, like, if you enable this while sleeping, it increases the room temperature because the body temperature goes down while you sleep. So let's say if I have set it to 21, it will be cooler for me, and while I'm sleeping. So just to make it a bit cozy for my body and sleeping experience, it goes up after 1 hour in the temperature, and then comes down, and it just according to the temperature what I have set here. So yeah, I'll just turn this off. I feel is a very I would say new feature. If you press this button, you see this I and in combination with F. What it does is like usually the air condition looks for the temperature around its own body. The sensor is used actually is located in the air condition. So but if you press this button, the air condition looks the temperature around your remote control. So this remote control has got the sensor. So what your air condition will be adjusting is according to the surrounding of this remote control. So if you have this remote control around you and you want your air condition to be more precise according to your location, then you can enable this, and it will work according to the sensor in the remote control. And yeah, so I have closed this. Timer on and timer off. This is the timer on which you can start your split air condition, and also you can set the timer off. You can turn these options simultaneously, like if for example my air condition is working right now and I want to set a timer off. Right now it's 9:12. So what we have to do is like I want to turn it off, and then I want to turn it on certain time period. So how I can do that is like I just click on timer off. It shows right now it's 2:42. So I need to adjust it with these keys, my timer off, and then in order to persist that time, I need to press this key again. I can quickly show you that how it works. Press this button, adjust the time. Like for example, if I keep pressing it to 3 o'clock, and now I can press on this. So now it is set to 3 o'clock. You can check it like this. It's 3:23, right? And if I press it again, this mode is on. It says off. Then that means now it is disabled. Now it is enabled. So if it is running, it will shut down on 3:23. Same goes for the timer on. If I click this button and then if I click on this button, yeah, here's the timer on option. Now I can adjust it by I can persist this time. Now you see this is on and off. These both options are visible. So it will turn off on certain time, and it will be turned on certain specific time that you have mentioned. Clock, you can set the clock what you have right now. These are this button, it actually takes out the particles and kill bacteria. So I don't know how much useful it is, but yeah, it is given in there. This one is for the healthy air, and this one is for the particles that I mentioned. Okay, and this is the quiet option. If I do this, it goes on the auto and it tries to perform on a low power, and it tries to make less noise. X fan, here is the option. If this is enabled, what it does is like when you shut down your A split, your internal fan it keeps running for some time to make internal I would say mechanism dry. It tries to dry it, otherwise there is some moisture left in your air condition, and the next time when you start it, it takes a little bit more time. So yeah, it is recommended if you keep this on, but yeah, obviously it takes some extra energy, but it's good for the next time when you want to turn on, and it should work like quickly. What is next? It is the temperature. Let me first disable all these options so you can expand. Yeah, the temperature, you see this small icon home, it tells you the temperature inside your room and outside. Your split air conditioner consists of two parts, inner and outer, so it tells the temperature. What I have found on the internet, like so it shows you the temperature for the inner and the outer. Both are 23 degrees right now. This is the light option. Actually, if you enable this, you see this light button, and what it does is like it shows you the temperature you have set here on your split air conditioner. There was another option to enable the Wi-Fi. I think it was by clicking the mode and the turbo simultaneously. Yeah, if you click the mode and the turbo button together, it enables the Wi-Fi option. Now I don't know the application is specifically for this split, or maybe there's a general one, but yeah, this is how you turn on the Wi-Fi, and if you are able to find the application, you can connect it and you can control your air conditioner with your mobile phone. So this is it basically. So that was a quick review. I hope you will find it useful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.